Welcome to the Digital India Experience Zone in Hall 4, Pragati Maidan, New Delhi, a hub of cutting-edge technology and knowledge showcasing 7 key initiatives that exemplify the best practices in implementing digital public infrastructures. Explore Aadhaar, DigiLocker, UPI, eSanjeevani, Diksha, Bhashini and ONDC through interactive displays, immersive zones and more, offering engaging experiences for all ages. Discover the Gita application, your guide to life's questions, inspired by the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Unveil DPI's core principles at the Digital Tree exhibit, where multiple screens chronicle the evolution of Digital India initiatives. Also, step into our virtual world with our immersive cycling exhibit, taking you on a transformative journey of Digital India. Experience the future of Digital India as it unfolds before your eyes.